Hi guys, I am going to teach you guys how I make the noodles of ramen. I'll show you the step-by-step of how I make ramen noodles. So let's get into it. Here are the ingredients you will need for the video. Your ramen noodles, a bowl, a fork, and a strainer. You'll also need a pot. I forgot that. I usually set the temperature on high first so the water can boil faster. While the water is boiling, I take out my ramen from the packet and the little flavor packet to prepare for when the water is ready. Now you'll wait for the water to boil, and then I'll show you the next steps after that. Our water is boiling. I think we'll just put them in now because it's already pretty much boiling. Take this block and break it in halves and quarters. So if you go like that, and you just go break it into two. Put the ones like this big into the boiling water. You take the little bits in this bag and put it in. You take your fork, your handy dandy fork, and then you just kind of mix them around until they become soft noodles. I put the strainer in the sink to dump my noodles into after they're done boiling. Open the flavor packet to put into the noodles when they're ready. After that, I take the noodles off of the stove and set them aside for a couple seconds to let them stop boiling. Then I dump them into the strainer. I take the strainer and shake it around so the excess water gets off of the noodles, and in the bowl they go. After that, I take the flavor packet and dump about a half a teaspoon into the noodles. Next, I mix the flavoring into the noodles and stir until it's all dissolved. Now it's time to eat. Bye guys, hope you enjoy.